Okay, hello, Mr. Atwood. This is Jeremy. I know it's been a little while, and I'm sure you've already had to sit through a few dozen of these projects, so I'll just get right down to it. This is on the life on Earth, from the beginning of time to the beginning of life as we know it. I'm sorry in advance for any sort of background noises. Um, so, to start, the Big Bang is one of a few theories of how our universe came about. So, in other words, it's the beginning of time. Uh, this theory was born of the observation that other galaxies are moving away from ours at a huge speed in all directions. So, it's like they'd been propelled by an ancient explosive force. And one of the first people that noticed this was a Belgian priest named Georges Lemaitre, who suggested the Big Bang theory in the 1920s, which gained traction from Edwin Hubble's astronomical observations. So the theory maintains that after the Big Bang, the universe expanded from its origin to its current scope, and that's where we are now, with constant expansion following that. And as of now, don't know of any signs of it slowing down. So, when it comes to the origin of life now, starting with, as of right now, Earth is the only place in the universe known to harbor life. And some of the earliest evidence for it occurred around 3.5 billion years ago. So, as the Earth cooled, an atmosphere formed for it, and after the atmosphere formed, early microbial life began to form in the oceans, and this is known as abiogenesis, which is the natural process of life arising from non-living matter. This is thought to have occurred on Earth between 3.8 and 4.1 billion years ago. Um, so around that time is when life started forming, a little bit after that. And another hypothesis for it is that microscopic life was distributed by meteoroids, asteroids, and comets. So that's a theory that includes the possibility that there is life elsewhere in the universe other than from what we know it being here. And this background is of the cell stage in Video Games 4. Here's the picture credit for it, and here's my info credit for that. And then right here, here's the info that I got. And then for my background, got that from Pixabay. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for listening, and I really hope I did this correctly. Goodbye.